So to create that kind of stunning fashion e-commerce videos for your products, so first of all you go to Google Gemini, and that is where we're gonna create the image first. Then we then use the same Gemini to create the video for the product. So first of all you got you want to have the photograph of the fashion of dress you want to advertise, you want to create the e-commerce video for. Then this is the one I'm going to use right now. This is over here. This is the product area, product image. So once you have that product image ready, you head over to Gemini, then you click on image, then go to this plus sign you see right there, then you upload the image. Okay, you upload the product photograph, then you place this first prompt. I'm gonna keep this prompt at the description of the video so you can as well try it yourself. Okay, so this is the prompt right now: create a photorealistic studio fashion photo of a professional model characteristic. Now this is where you're gonna put the characteristics of the model you wanna create a fashion video for. All right, so the characteristics here is let's say Nigerian lady of 25 years old, of at least 25 years old. Okay, height, you can put the height if you have the height usable. Right now let me just leave that for now, or let me, I will say tall. You can put the height. Okay, 6 feet, 5 feet, whatever I want to put. Okay, so let's just leave it this way. So once you do that, so you can send the prompt. Okay, so let's see what it gives us. Alright, so this is what it gives us. This is perfect, right? This is perfect. So you can download it to your device. So download it to your device. So this is what we do right now: download to your device. Okay, so after downloading to your device, you got it. Okay, so you're gonna go over. Okay, now let's get rid of this watermark right here. This watermark, let's get rid of it. So head over to downloaded photo. Okay, all right, so you just go this way and let's remove the watermark. Okay, so once you've done this, then you head over to Gemini. So now go click on this video you see here. This is this option that says video. All right, so once you click on the video, go back and get this prompt, the second prompt. So I'm gonna place this second prompt as well. So the prompt to get the video. All right, okay, so I've got it. The second prompt, I'll place the prompt here, then go back and add the image. Okay, all right, so that's the image right there. So once we have the image right there, the prompt says generate a fashion video for an e-commerce website. The model gracefully strikes multiple poses to the feature the clothing product. Specify the product. So the product is the product is red dress. Okay, so you can if you have product name, you can do that. Okay, right now let's just use red dress. Okay, so completely static camera without movement. So let's send the prompt right now. No audio, no sound effects, no vocals. So let's just send it right now and see what it gives us. Alright, so the video is ready right now. As you can see, this is the video. Let's open and check the video of ourselves. Okay, so this is the video. Alright, it's expanded, as you can see, giving us different poses. Okay, so this is perfect. Okay, so this is how you get to create this kind of product images for fashion. So you can post this, you can do this for your clients or do for yourself if you own a fashion website. Post and I get customers directly from that kind of video. So if you find this video helpful, please try to subscribe to my channel so I can get seeing this kind of videos coming your way. Alright, so until then, goodbye.